presenting a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Rogue S. 2017 Nissan Rogue S. Style, efficiency, and reliability in one sleek package. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Nissan has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2017 Nissan Rogue S, a sleek, stylish, and fuel-efficient SUV ready for your next adventure. Powered by a responsive 2.5L engine, it delivers both performance and comfort. Finished in magnetic black with a cozy charcoal cloth interior, this Rogue is as sharp as it is comfortable. Enjoy impressive fuel economy with 26 mpg city and 33 mpg highway. Perfect for long drives and fewer stops at the pump. With excellent overall condition and a clean CARFAX, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss your chance to own this reliable, head-turning SUV. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.